In this video, I will show you two methods to add width to your dress. When you have no side margins, you can add some side panels or the clothes on the sides to increase the width or size of your kurti or your dress. You can add side panels in different ways, but I will show you 2 or 3 different methods how you can do it. One is very popular method and another is the correct method or the method which will help you alter your dress even later on. Before we start, let's remove the side seam. If you have some of the margin on the sides, then it's advisable that you using a cutter, remove the side seams and remove the sides of the sleeve also. This I have shown in my last video in detail. You can check that. Second method is when you have no margin left, simply cut open the sides of the dress. I'm cutting it from the right side of the dress till the armhole, the end of the armhole, the joint. Here I have cut, and then the sleeve is cut from the side to separate the sides, and the sides are open. The same way you will cut the other side, and here this side is open. Here you can join the side panel. I have removed about ½ inch of the sleeve stitch from the side. So you can use a lace about 3 inch or the size of your requirement, or you can use a fabric, same color or contrast color fabric, which you will cut like a rocket from the top, like a V shape from the top, slightly V shape, U or V. And now this godet or kali, this will be joined from the side of the sleeve. This is the popular method, but I will show you a reason why you should not use this method when you want fitting for your kurti or your dress. Secondly, this method seems easy and it seems good, but you cannot do alterations later on. So ultimately you will have to throw your dress. This method is good when you have to alter your dress only once. So I am using pins to show you how the fabric side would be joined. This is the front. You can stitch with your sewing machine, and another side from the side of the sleeve. This method is also good when you don't have to increase the bottom of your sleeve. Only the side of your dress is to be increased, and that also about 6 or 7 inches from the sides. That's it, from each side. Okay. In Bengali kurta dresses or the side godded dresses, side kali dresses, this method is popularly used, but it will make your dress loose from the armhole side, the bottom of the armhole. See, it will look good, no doubt. It will look beautiful, and it is easy, and you can use this method. The same way you will add a kali or a side panel on other side of the dress also, and this way you can increase the width of your dress. You can use fabric or lace, whatever you want, but remember, from the side of the sleeve there would be some looseness. Second method is to join side panels. I like this method better because here I am cutting 3-inch fabric, 2 pieces for the sleeve. The sleeves are open. The seams of the sleeve are open 1/2 inch from the sides. So I can easily join these pieces from sides of the sleeve. Suppose you want the sides of your sleeve or the sides of your dress to be 2 inch more from each side. So this way I have taken 3 inch each side. So 1 inch would be for your side stitching or the side seams. So the bottom of the sleeve would be folded, and then we want 2 panels for side of the kurti. This is 3 inch wide. I will cut it in 2 pieces so that I can join it on the sides of the dress. So here this is one piece. From the open side of the sleeve seams, I join it on the sides. This is front. It will look somewhat like this after stitching, and then it will be closed. And bottom side also, the back part of the dress also, you need to add one side panel. This is a little bit time consuming method, but it is more effective and efficient method because this way you can alter your dress better and there won't be any incorrectiveness or any ugly looseness from the armhole side of the sleeves. So these are 2 methods which I have shown you. I hope you like them, and if you have any questions or queries, you can ask me in the comment section below. Take care, goodbye, and I wish you all a very happy new year.